What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how one of my students placed an ATM at this adult club and makes $1,100 per month. All right, so this ATM is actually placed in here. I can't show too many pictures just because a lot of the pictures, all of the people are basically naked. So this club is where couples go to basically talk to each other, hang out with each other, and then they'll take each other, back home, and they'll have, some sort of adult type of relationship back in their apartment or back wherever. But they essentially go here, they meet, they have drinks, they have a good time, and then, they take each other home. It's super, super bizarre. And I would never expect that this type of business would actually produce income like this for your ATM. So this is the report that we get every single month, and it shows you exactly how much transactions, how much profit your ATM did. So if you look down here at the bottom, this student made 343 transactions, and that actually came out to be over $1,100 in profits for this student. And then over the course of that time, he had to go and he had to refill the machine multiple times, and that total came out to $45,000. Now that's money that's recycled, so he probably put anywhere between $4,000 to $5,000 every single time he went to refill the machine, and he would just take that money, put in the machine, the customers would take the money out, and then he would just go to his bank, take the money out of his bank, and then go back to the machine and refill it, and it just recycles that money over and over again. So basically how this business works is, if you go over to their website, they have a nightly door price, right? So you have to basically pay cash if you want and to go into this club and you want to hang out in this club, and you have to pay cash for this. You can't pay with a credit card, you can't pay with a debit card. So what you have to do is, if you're a customer at this business, you walk in the front door and there's like a bouncer, and if you want to get into the club and you don't have cash, you look to your right and there's an ATM right there, and you're kind of forced to actually withdraw money to take that cash out to go into the club. And 99% of the time, if you're already there, you're not going to leave the club and go across the street to the 7-Eleven or whatever to go withdraw money. You're just going to do it right then and there. So it's a very convenient thing for the customers who are there. And our student, the guy who placed the ATM in this business, he makes a lot of money. So it's a win-win situation for both the customer and for our student who placed the ATM there. So this is a little video of what the club actually looks like. And, most of the time people are, undressed. But in this video, I found that a lot of the people are dressed, and all these people paid cash to get into this business. So, it looks like a fun time. I'm not into the swinger, scene myself, but I mean, it looks like a good time. So if people are gathering there, people want to go there, people are going to withdraw money from your ATM so they can go inside and have fun. So if you guys find very niche places like this, doesn't have to be the traditional convenience store or gas station or marijuana dispensary. If you can find niche locations like this, you can make a lot of money, man. So I just wanted to show you guys that quick little insight on how you could potentially find new locations for your ATM business. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.